This is me, Sub to Dimitri, and I have some big news. So, on February 7, 2026, it is the date that I am going to go on a field trip. Now, you may be asking, Dimitri, why did it change to February 2026 instead of January? Well, that's because my teacher told me that the field trip will be on February 7, 2026 at Saturday. So, this is Sub to Dimitri. I hope you learned something from me, and please make sure to like and subscribe, and let's end the video with a bang.